how many of us have joined schools or colleges after comparing at least a few thousands of them, or at least a few hundreds of them, or at least a dozen of them before joining one? Sometimes, the decision of joining an educational institute also depends on the accessibility or the availability of the application form itself.
Each college invests huge amount in the infrastructure, in the manpower, and other resources in the form of technology and books and various laboratories which are need of the day to update the syllabus. So when a college do not get enough seats filled in, it's a huge loss in terms of investment.
And this is when the brainstorming started to build an online platform which was named as Brainy Batch. Brainy Batch not only helps you find institutions but also helps you apply to these institutions. For example, you can find categories like play schools, schools, colleges, and coaching centers in the search bar. One can access the details of the institution such as the contact number, facilities of the institution, and the courses offered by them along with the rating given to the institution. Based on the student's interest, Brainy Batch also offers similar options which the student can compare. Brainy Batch gives the option to apply online along with the application fee details. The application form can be bought online and submitted online as well.
So Brainy Batch is able to synchronize this effort, integrating the college and student in one common platform. It is also a good advantage to the college to access this database and scrutinize the meritorious student and thus call for personal interview, GD, and the entire process can be online.
I had applied to my college through Brainy Batch. In this platform, I had the option to choose from various colleges. I have to say my overall experience was hassle-free because all the application process was done online.
The vision of Brainy Batch is to be a 360-degree solution provider for institutions as well as for students in an environmental-friendly manner. When I say this, what I mean is Brainy Batch not only provides students with an institution selection and admission process, but also helps them select the right career path through scientific methods like fingerprint scanning and personalized counseling.